Bro, hold up. Is this thing a liquid or a solid? Watch this. When I hit it, it turns into a rock. But when I chill my hand, it melts like slime. This stuff is wild. Welcome back to Little Genius Lab. Today, we're making Oobleck, the craziest non-Newtonian fluid ever. It's messy, weird, fun, and giving major science vibes. Keep stirring until it feels super thick and weird, like it can't decide what it wants to be. Now hit it with your fist. Boom, it turns solid instantly. Scoop it up fast. It feels like a rock. Hold it slow. It drips everywhere. Total chaos. So here's the deal. Oobleck doesn't act like a normal liquid. When you smack it, the particles lock together. When you relax, they spread out again. Science calls this shear thickening, but honestly, it's just Oobleck being dramatic. Subhanallah. Even something this simple follows perfect rules. Everything in this world works with precision and balance. Nothing is random. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share. Drop a comment and tell me, what crazy experiment should we try next?